Hi children, how are you? Hope you all are in your best of your health. So today's topic is food we eat. Children, when you are hungry, what do? You will eat the food which your mama has cooked. Now, the food what we eat, how does it help us? In which all ways does it help us? It helps us to grow, to get energy, to play, to work and to be healthy and to be fit. Okay children? So, why do we eat food children? We eat food which will help us to grow, give us energy, help us to play, help us to work and help us to be healthy and lot more things. Okay children? So now children, what do you mean by meals? Generally we have 3 meals in a day, right? So meal is the food which we have at a particular time. Okay. So the food which we have at a particular time is called a meal. Now in a day we have 3 meals. How many meals? 3 meals. Now morning it will be breakfast, lunch it will be in the noon and dinner it will be in the night. Yes. So these are the big meals and we have small meals also. Small meals are which are small in quantity. Like we have snacks. Snacks in late morning. That is in between lunch and in between break. And early evening. In between lunch and in between dinner. So that is called as a small meal. It is very important to have our meals at the right time and it should be in the same time. Like if you have your breakfast at 8 or 8:30, next day you should not have it by 10 or 10:30. You have to keep a proper consistency of having your meals at the right time. Then only you will be healthy. You should not change the time of your meals. Okay children? So the 3 big meals which we have in a day are breakfast, lunch and dinner. Breakfast we have it in the morning. Lunch we have it in the noon. And dinner we have it at night. And the small meals are nothing but snacks. Okay? Snacks which we have it in between breakfast and lunch, that is late morning or early noon, and in between lunch and night, which is like early evening. Okay children? So now we will go for sources of food. Which are the main sources of food children? The sources of food is, from where do we get food? We get food from plants and animals. Yes, it is very important to know the sources of food. We need to learn them also. So, from plants, what do we get children? What do we generally eat? All of us enjoy it. We get fruits, we get vegetables, we get cereals and pulses. And from animals, what do we get? We get milk, we get egg, we get fish and meat. Okay children? So, the 2 important sources of food are plants and animals. Plants give us lot of leafy vegetables also children, like palak, which is called as spinach, and methi. Okay children? So lot of green leaves also we eat. We eat fruits, we eat vegetables, cereals, pulses. We have it from the plants. And what do the animals give us? Milk, eggs, fish and meat. So these are the important sources of food. Yes children. Now healthy and unhealthy food children. You can only differentiate between them because during this lockdown you would have really got to know the real value of home cooked food which has high nutritional value, right? So it is very important to have home cooked foods. Definitely all mothers will prepare yummy home cooked foods, right? So all of you will be waiting to have it, right? Okay, and unhealthy food is, as you all know, it is junk food. Okay, so now I will show you some fruits and vegetables. Now what is this children? What is this? This is pomegranate. It is very good for our body. It helps in increasing the blood level also. And what is this children? This is Apple. Everyone's favorite, right? Apple a day keeps the doctor away. Okay, children? So we should eat apple so that we do not go to the doctor. Every day one apple is a must. Then we have guava. It is a season of guava, children. I know all of you love guava. Okay, children? But have it like after lunch, children, so that you do not have a sore throat. Put salt and pepper and have it. Okay, children? Then everyone's favorite this is. What is this? Banana. Everyone loves banana, right? So these are the fruits. And some more like mangoes, grapes. Okay, children? Chiku, custard apple, papaya. All that we all love to eat. Now the vegetables I'll show you. This is what, children? This is cabbage. It can be cooked also and it can be had raw in salads also, children. This is cucumber. What is this, children? Everyone's favorite. We have it raw, no, children? This is not cooked. So cucumber we have it in salads. It's very good for the body. And this one is carrot. Everyone's favorite. This also we can have it raw and it can be cooked also, children. And this one, tomato. Everyone's favorite, right? Okay, we can have it in salad also and we can cook it and we can make yummy chutney to have it with dosa and idli also. Okay, children? Right? So tomato is also everyone's favorite. And what are these, children? These are beans. Beans is very good for the health, children. It gives us high nutritional value. And children, lots more. Like we have beetroot. Okay, children? We have beetroot, we have onion, we have potato. So we should eat all the vegetables, whatever mama cooks for us. Okay, children? Now raw food and cooked food. Generally, what vegetables can be cooked, children? Potato, beetroot, beans, cabbage. And raw, children? Raw we eat is cucumber, tomato, radish. Okay, children? Okay. So all of you must have good quantity of vegetable. You should not create a fuss and trouble your parents. Okay, children? It gives us a high nutritional value so that we do not fall ill and we can do everything. We can even study, we can even play. We can do both the activities. Okay, children? Now, children, what do we get from animals? We get milk. We get milk. And from milk, what do we make? We make butter. We make butter. And we make everyone's favorite cheese. Cheese is also made from butter, from milk. Cheese is also made from milk, children. And which we use every day. Ghee, right? So we use Nandini ghee, right? We are in Karnataka. So we use Nandini ghee. Okay, children? This is all made out of milk. So milk we get from animals. And then we even cook egg. We even cook fish and meat. Okay, children? So these are the important sources of food. Now healthy food is what mama cooks at home. All the 3 meals will be very healthy and very nutritious. But junk food you can have it once a while, like pasta, noodles, pizza. But don't make it a habit to have it every day. I know most of the children also like chocolates. But make sure that you brush your teeth twice. Okay, children? Brushing in the morning and before going to bed. Okay, children? When you rise and when you sleep, both the time you need to brush. Try to have this once a while, children. Okay, children? So that you don't have temptation. See, Twisters is everyone's favorite, but this comes under junk only, children. And Pringles. This is my favorite also, but you should have it once a while. Okay, children? It is not that you should not have, but you should avoid having it every day. Okay, children? And children, nuts is also very important, children. At home, whatever is available, please have it, children. These are walnuts or akhroat. Walnuts you call them, or in Hindi you call them as akhroat. And these are almonds or badam. Okay, children? It is a must. You should have it every day. And the cereals what we have, children? Cereals are rice and wheat. This is a must. Rice and wheat is a must every day. Okay, children, I am showing you rice. Wheat is in flour form, children. So that is a powdered form. This is rice, children. And we have cereals and pulses. Those are the seeds of the plant which we have. So green gram I have. I am showing you green gram and I am showing you tur dal, which is cooked every day. Your sambar, your dals, everything is cooked with tur dal, yellow gram, green gram, masoor dal, etc. So children, all this is very important. We should be serious and we should not trouble our parents, and we should have it without making a fuss. So the next one is home cooked food and junk food. So we should avoid junk food and we should concentrate on home cooked food, and we should have it without making a fuss. And the next one is special food cooked during festivals. Children, what do we cook during festival? We cook something which is not cooked every day, like laddu is cooked during Diwali, or any other different special item is also cooked during Diwali. And then we have cake during Christmas, which is baked. And we have sevaiya during Eid. Okay children, so during festivals also we prepare, mama prepares yummy delicacies, okay, which is not cooked every day. And then we have food eaten by different people. Now children, what do babies eat? Babies will have soft food which can be mashed also. Okay children, they have soft food and which can be mashed because they cannot chew. Okay children, and what does the old people have? What do the old people have? They have something which is soft and which can be chewed and which can be digested easily. They do not have anything which is hard. Okay children, because it is difficult for them to chew. And then what do the patients have? What the doctor prescribes. So that will also be soft food, children. They cannot have anything other than what the doctor prescribes. So now I want you all to read this chapter, Food We Eat, which is on page number 16, children. Okay, so write the date and start reading. Every day you promise me you're going to read one page. Okay children, write down the names of 2 items of food that you have brought in your lunch box today. That we will leave it, or we will write it when we come to school. So do not worry about that. Okay children, so this is why do we have food. I have explained you well. And then food eaten daily. Okay children, the food that we eat at a particular time is called meal. The 3 meals, breakfast, lunch and dinner. And breakfast is had in the morning, lunch at noon and dinner at night. Okay children, then sources of food which is got from plants and animals. We get fruits, vegetables, cereals and pulses. And from animals we get meat, fish, egg and milk. Okay children, what is important? Read it with the help of your parents, children. It is very important to read. Okay children, now page number 18. I'll make you do it here itself. Okay children, now the keywords are very important, children. You need to practice writing the spellings in your rough book 3 times. Now breakfast, cereal, dinner, lunch and pulses is your keywords. Shall we figure them out? Use the keywords given above to complete each sentence. Dash and dash are seeds of plants. Yes, it is cereals and pulses are seeds of plants. Write the correct spelling from the keyword box, which is blue in color. Okay children, the keywords is in the blue tab, blue box. Okay children, so select from them. Once you have written cereals and pulses, tick them or circle them. Dash, dash and dash are the 3 meals that we eat in a day. Breakfast, lunch and dinner are the 3 meals that we eat in a day. Breakfast, lunch and dinner are the 3 meals we eat in a day. So tick mark or circle them. So this activity gets over. Now, healthy and unhealthy food. I'm sure all of you know which are the healthy food and which is the unhealthy food. So we should avoid unhealthy food as much as possible. Okay, but it's not that you stop it. Have it once a while. Okay children. Now, next page. What do you eat and drink yesterday? Write their names under each heading. I want you to do this activity the next day. Okay children. The next day, once you finish seeing this video, the next day you will start writing the breakfast, what you had for your breakfast, your lunch and your dinner. It's okay. Whatever you have, you can write it. Need not worry. Okay, even if you have had little junk, write it. Be honest and write it. Okay, children? Cooked and raw food. Cooked food, you know. Vegetables such as potato, onion, cabbage, beetroot, turnip, everything is cooked. Okay, children? And raw food is cucumber, tomato, onion, all that we have it raw. Now, down, children. We cook different foods during festivals. For example, laddus. So, name one festival that you celebrate. Which festival is coming now? I'm sure you all are excited. Okay. Write the name of at least 2 food that are prepared during that festival. So, whichever festival you celebrate, you write that and you write the delicacy which your mama prepares at home. The food. Now you go to the next page. Now, I want you to do this activity. Page number 20. This will be your homework, children. Life skills. This is in general, children. What do we do before having our meals? We wash our hands with soap, right? Before and after having a meal. And we should eat in small portion or big portion. Should we speak with food in our mouth or not? Should we chew our food well or not? Eat fruits and vegetables every day. Finish the food on our plate. You have to do this. Okay, children? This is all general knowledge. And whatever you feel right, you do it. Not a worry at all. Okay, children? And page number 21. This is also your homework, children. Children, see, food comes with great difficulty. You can see the farmers working very hard, children. Farmers work very hard, and that is why we are sitting at home and enjoying the yummy delicacies which are cooked at home, children. We have to respect food, children. Do not waste the food at all. And how much you want to eat, that much you take. Take it in 2 portions also, it's okay. Okay, children, do not waste food. Page number 21, down, evaluation. You all have to do this. I will be assisting you. Okay, children? This is a kind of an assessment. You have to do this. Marks will be given. Okay, children? Page number 21, fill in the blanks with the given words. And page number 22, write whether true or false. We get beans from plants. Do we get beans from plants? Yes. Tomato is a cereal. Is it a cereal? No. So false. F. Old people like to eat food that is easy to chew. True or false? True. So T. All fruits are cooked and eaten. Do we cook fruits? No. So false. The doctor decides what a sick person should eat. Right or wrong? True. So T. Now, third one. Look at the picture and fill in the missing letters. You all will do this with the help of your parents or elders at home. And draw and color any one of your favorite foods that you eat, cooked and raw. Okay, children, I want you all to do this, children. And I hope you all have understood. I want you all to read every day. Reading is a must, children. And I want you to do the activities. Take care, children. Thank you.